Birthright Citizenship. A principle enshrined in the 14th Amendment, grants automatic citizenship to anyone born on U.S. soil, regardless of their parents' immigration status. However, this has been a polarizing issue, especially in recent years, with debates about its impact on immigration and national security. Former President Donald Trump made headlines with his attempts to challenge this long-standing policy. The 14th Amendment was ratified in 1868, primarily to secure citizenship rights for formerly enslaved people after the Civil War. Its citizenship clause states, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States." For over 150 years, this clause has been interpreted to include anyone born in the U.S., regardless of their parents' immigration status. However, critics argue that the policy has been exploited through so-called birth tourism, or unauthorized immigration, prompting calls for reform. Trump reignited this debate during his presidency by claiming he could end birthright citizenship through executive action, despite widespread legal consensus that such a move would require a constitutional amendment. In 2018, Trump announced his intention to issue an executive order to end birthright citizenship for children born to non-citizen parents. This move sparked outrage from civil rights groups and legal experts, who argued that the president doesn't have the authority to override the Constitution. Trump defended his stance, saying, "We're the only country in the world where a person comes in, has a baby, and the baby is essentially a citizen. It's ridiculous. It has to end." Despite skepticism from Congress and the judiciary, the Trump administration pressed forward with this effort, leading to multiple legal challenges. Fast forward to today. A federal judge has officially blocked Trump's executive order. The court ruled that the 14th Amendment's language is clear and unambiguous, leaving no room for interpretation that would allow the executive branch to alter this principle without congressional approval or a constitutional amendment. The decision was celebrated by immigrant advocacy groups, who called it a victory for human rights. However, conservative groups argue that the ruling ignores modern immigration challenges and encourages misuse of the system. This ruling doesn't just preserve birthright citizenship but also sets a precedent that further attempts to challenge it may face insurmountable legal hurdles. What's next? Legal experts say this isn't the end of the road. While Trump's executive order was blocked, similar challenges to birthright citizenship could arise in the future. For now, the 14th Amendment remains intact, ensuring that anyone born in the U.S. continues to receive citizenship by birthright. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the biggest news stories.